Amazon Prime for free 30 days. You need link in bio. Winter isn't over yet, and Amazon just dropped some of the biggest price cuts of the season. If you want to stay cozy without burning a hole in your pocket, you need to see this. I've rounded up the top 22 winter deals that are absolute game changers for 2026. We're talking about high-quality essentials that are currently at their lowest prices of the year. From smart home heating to genius cold weather hacks, these are the must-haves you'll wish you bought sooner. Let's dive into these icy deals. Auto Snow Socks for tires, now $139. Amazon products you need before the next big snowstorm hits. This Auto Snow Socks for tires is a total game changer for winter driving. Are you tired of wrestling with heavy, rusty snow chains in the freezing cold or worrying about sliding off the road? It is the absolute worst. These socks install in under 5 minutes and give you maximum grip without damaging your rims. They're washable, reusable, and legally accepted at chain checkpoints. No more vibration or mess, just smooth, safe steering. Snowblower was $149. Now $129. Save $20. Amazon products. You need to stop wasting hours clearing snow and drying your car. This snowblower is a total beast that fits right in your hand. Are you tired of heavy, gas-powered blowers or getting frozen hands just trying to clear your driveway? It is the absolute worst. This cordless jet blower delivers a massive 1,200 grams of wind pressure to blast away snow, leaves, and dust instantly. It's rechargeable, has a 60-minute battery life, and even features intelligent overheat protection, ice melt, and snow salt. Now, $75. Bestsellers you need before the next winter storm traps you in your driveway. This ice melt and snow salt is a total game changer for freezing mornings. Are you tired of slipping on black ice or worrying about salt ruining your concrete and hurting your dog's paws? It is the absolute worst. This premium blue formula melts ice down to -15 degrees and is completely pet and concrete friendly. It even has a blue indicator so you can actually see where you've spread it. Jump starter with air compressor now, $129. Amazon products. You need to stop feeling helpless when your car dies in the middle of nowhere. This jump starter with air compressor is a total beast for any roadside emergency. Are you tired of waiting hours for a tow truck just because of a dead battery or a flat tire? It is the absolute worst. This 2-in-1 tool instantly jumps your car and inflates tires up to 150 pounds per square inches. Plus, it comes with a full rescue kit, including a first aid kit and safety hammer. Don't wait, you'll thank me later. Link in the description below. Upgraded heated gloves Men&Women now, $129. Amazon products you need to stop your hands from freezing this winter. This upgraded heated gloves Men&Women is an absolute game changer for anyone who spends time outdoors. Are you tired of that stinging, numb feeling in your fingers while skiing or just shoveling snow? It is the absolute worst. These gloves use rechargeable batteries to heat your entire hand and all 10 fingers for up to 6 hours. They're made with premium sheep leather and soft fleece, plus they're totally windproof. Snow cone machine and smoothie blender 2 inches one was $129. Now $79. Save $50. Amazon products. You need to host the ultimate summer party without breaking the bank. This snow cone machine and smoothie blender 2 inches one is a total game changer for your kitchen. Are you tired of clunky blenders that can't handle ice or paying way too much for frozen treats at the mall? It is the absolute worst. This 700-watt beast crushes ice into fluffy snow and blends perfect cocktails or protein shakes in seconds. It's super easy to clean, dishwasher safe, and perfect for DIY family fun. AutoFixing snow chains was $103, now $88. Save $15. Amazon products you need to survive winter without the stress. This AutoFixing snow chain set is a total game changer for anyone living in snow zones. Are you tired of freezing your hands off for an hour trying to wrestle clunky, heavy chains onto your tires? It is the absolute worst. These chains install in literally 60 seconds without even moving your car. They use titanium reinforced steel for crazy grip and have a low-profile design, so you won't deal with that annoying shaking and noise while driving. Men Baggy snowboard pants was $129. Now, $119. Save $10. Amazon products you need to stay warm and look fire on the slopes. This Men Baggy snowboard pants set is the ultimate vibe for your next winter trip. Are you tired of stiff, boring snow gear that gets soaked after one run or makes you look like a marshmallow? It is the absolute worst. These baggy cargo pants feature a 15K waterproof rating to keep you dry and a reflective flame pattern that pops in the dark. They're super loose for max movement and have huge pockets for all your gear. Heated ski gloves for men and women. Now, $189. Amazon products you need to survive the freezing cold without losing your mind. This heated ski gloves for men and women is a total game changer for your next winter trip. Are you tired of your fingers turning into literal icicles after just 10 minutes on the slopes or shoveling snow? It is the absolute worst. These smart gloves heat up in 10 seconds, and you can control the temperature right from your phone. They feature premium goat leather, fast-charging batteries that last 12 hours, and touchscreen-friendly fingertips. The products are all available in the description and comment section. It's on sale. Electric Ice Crusher Shaver was $89. Now, $76. Save $13. Amazon products you need to throw the ultimate party without the mess. This electric ice crusher shaver is a total game changer for your home bar or kitchen. Are you tired of hand cranking ice or dealing with chunky, uneven cubes that ruin your drinks and desserts? It is the absolute worst. This beast features a 4-blade design that crushes 210 pounds of fluffy snow per hour. It's splash-free, made of food-grade stainless steel, and even has a safety auto stop. Car windshield cover for ice and snow was $49, now $39. Save $10. Amazon products you need to stop freezing your hands off every morning. This car windshield cover for ice and snow is a total lifesaver for winter. Are you tired of waking up late and spending 20 minutes scraping ice while your fingers go numb? It is the absolute worst. With this, you just peel the snow off in 10 seconds and reveal perfectly clear glass. It's 100% waterproof, has secure wheel straps so it won't fly away in the wind, and fits everything from sedans to SUVs. Emergency snow chains was $69, now $66. Save $3. Amazon products you need to stop getting stuck in the snow every single winter. This emergency snow chain set is a total lifesaver for your car. Are you tired of that terrifying feeling when your tires start spinning on black ice and you lose all control? It is the absolute worst. These upgraded manganese steel chains feature an automatic tightener, so you can install them in minutes without even moving your vehicle. They have thick TPU pads to protect your rims and provide a crazy strong grip for ice braking. Men's ski jacket and pants set was $149. Now, $119. Save $30. Amazon products you need to stop freezing your tail off on the mountain. This men's ski jacket and pants set is a total game changer for your winter adventures. Are you tired of getting soaked to the bone or feeling the wind bite through your cheap layers after just one run? It is the absolute worst. This set features fully sealed seams and a plush velveteen lining that locks in heat like a furnace. Plus, the pants have removable straps and double-layer snow protection to keep you bone dry. Roadside emergency car kit for vehicles. Now, $59. Amazon products you need to stop feeling panicked when your car breaks down. This roadside emergency car kit for vehicles is an absolute must-have for every driver. Are you tired of that sinking feeling when your battery dies or you get stuck in a snowbank with zero tools to help? It is the absolute worst. This kit comes with heavy-duty jumper cables and a genius detachable snow shovel to get you moving fast. Plus, you get a tow strap, flashlight, and a first aid kit all in one compact bag. Women's waterproof ski jacket was $89. Now $39. Save $50. Best sellers, you need to stay dry and cute on the mountain this year. This women's waterproof ski jacket is an absolute must-have for your winter wardrobe. Are you tired of shivering in a heavy coat that gets soaked through the second it starts snowing or raining? It is the absolute worst. This jacket features a professional waterproof coating and a super soft fluff lining that locks in heat all day long. It's windproof, quick drying, and has adjustable cuffs to keep that freezing air out. Car windshield cover for ice and snow was $39. Now $35. Save $4. Amazon products. You need to stop wasting your life scraping ice in the freezing cold. This car windshield cover for ice and snow is a total game changer for your winter mornings. Are you tired of waking up late and having to chip away at a frozen windshield while your fingers go numb? It is the absolute worst. This extra-large cover protects your glass, wipers, and even your side mirrors. It's 100% waterproof and features upgraded hooks that stay put even on windy days. Just pull and go in 10 seconds. I've put a link in my comment. Don't miss out. Women's snow ski pants. Water, now, $50. Best sellers, you need to stay snatched and warm on the mountain this winter. This women's snow ski pants water-resistant gear is a total game changer for your outdoor fit. Are you tired of bulky, unflattering snow pants that make you feel like a marshmallow and soak through the second you touch the snow? It is the absolute worst. These have a fleece lining that locks in heat and a 3D flattering fit that actually shapes your legs. Plus, the expandable zip ankles fit perfectly over any boots. Don't wait, you'll thank me later. Link in the description below. Ski goggles for men, women, youth was $43. Now $39. Save $4. Amazon products you need to stop skiing blind this winter. This ski goggles for men, women, youth is a total game changer for the slopes. Are you tired of your goggles constantly fogging up or trying to squeeze them over your glasses only for it to hurt? It is the absolute worst. These feature a pro double-layer anti-fog lens and a genius OTG design that fits right over your glasses. You get 100% UV protection and a massive spherical view so you actually see where you're going. Snow cone shaved ice machine was $51. Now $41. Save $10. Amazon products you need to survive the heat and upgrade your snack game. This snow cone shaved ice machine is an absolute beast for making summer treats at home. Are you tired of those cheap, flimsy machines that barely crush ice or make you work for an hour just for one cone? It is the absolute worst. This motor-powered shaver turns a whole ice block into fluffy snowflakes in under 60 seconds. It's super compact, dishwasher safe, and works with regular ice cubes too. Pet Safe Ice Melt was $59, now $56, save $3. Amazon products, you need to stop worrying about your dog's paws this winter. This Pet Safe Ice Melt is a total game changer for pet parents. Are you tired of using harsh salts that burn your furry friend's feet or eat away at your concrete driveway? It is the absolute worst. This pure magnesium chloride formula works down to -35 degrees and contains zero corrosive additives or dyes. It's fast-acting, safe for sidewalks, and even comes with a handy scoop. Paw protectors for winter snowy day, now $28. Amazon products you need to stop your dog from limping in the freezing cold. This paw protectors for winter snowy day is a total game changer for your furry best friend. Are you tired of seeing your pup struggle with salt burns, sharp ice, or burning hot pavement during walks? It is the absolute worst. These boots feature rugged anti-slip soles for crazy traction and wide split seams that make them so easy to put on. Plus, the reflective straps keep them safe and visible during those dark winter nights. Merino wool ski socks was $23. Now $19. Save $4. Bestsellers, you need to stop your feet from freezing on the mountain. This Merino wool ski socks is a total lifesaver for any winter sport. Are you tired of cold, sweaty toes or getting painful boot rub after just a few hours of skiing? It is the absolute worst. These socks use Thermalite Tech and natural merino wool to wick away moisture and block odors. They have targeted padding on the shins and heels for shock absorption, plus arch support so they never slide down.